The year-over-year earnings growth in the S&P is around 11 to 12%, which is fairly robust, fairly
Mhm.
strong. That's one. Yes, Mag 7 has a big part of that, but plenty of other companies are participating in that too. What you're seeing recently is breadth expansion. I expect more of that. Financials,
Mm.
healthcare, the free cash flow yield in these areas are cheap. There's deregulation coming for financials. It's capital and liquidity rules. Bessent needs banks to buy treasuries.
Yeah.
So they're going to relax the SLR. I'm looking at consumer discretionary stocks that are priced for recession. I bought Bath and Body Works yesterday. I think it's up 4% today. These names are cheap and they were priced for a world of stiff tariffs, and yet consumers still have a pulse and are spending. Yes, there was some acceleration of purchasing, which Tanya pointed out, but these are transient multi-month shifts. They're not secular shifts. Consumers still out there spending. Delinquencies from American Express and Capital One Financial are going down. They're going down. The consumer's strong. Real incomes are still going up. So I don't really see much risk around there. I do expect we'll have further breadth expansion. I think find a sector where you're bearish. It's hard to find that. I'm not that interested in materials, but even materials are doing fine, like uranium, oil, platinum, silver, copper.
Yeah.
That's doing
Copper
fine.
came
So
in.
that's probably the category I'm least interested in, but that's got a good story. Energy has a story now. Okay. It's only 2% of the S&P, but it's got a story. Healthcare, aging demographics, the boomers spending more on healthcare, Medicare, Medicaid, that Congress can't seem to control that. They should control it. They don't. Okay. Technology. So where's a sector where you don't see real earnings growth? The sector it's really interest rate sensitive stocks where that's where you're not seeing as much participation because they've got these debt burdens. And when rates lower on the long end of the curve, then that sector will get going.